There's nothing worse than a blunt knife when you start a busy day in the kitchen. Not only does it slow you down, but it can also be dangerous. Hi and welcome to the Rustic Kitchen channel. Today we're going to be talking about sharpening your knife. So all you need to sharpen your knife is a whetstone. Now I'm using a dual-sided whetstone. Now this is 1000 grit and this is a 3000 grit. The higher the number, the sharper the edge of your knife can get. Now if your knife is a bit damaged, you might want to use the rougher grit, the more coarse grit, and then move on to the finer grit to get a nice sharp edge. So the first thing we do is soak the whetstone in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now as soon as you soak it in water, you'll see bubbles rise to the surface of the water. You want to wait for the bubbles to stop. That's a good indication that the whetstone has absorbed all the water it can. Place the whetstone on a damp kitchen towel so that it doesn't move around too much. Now what I like to do is tilt the knife at an angle of about 20 degrees. Then start at the base of the knife edge and slide all the way through to the tip of the edge. Now I continue in the same direction till I count from about 1 to 10, and then I do the same thing on the other side. Now this is not any rocket science, guys. You will get the hang of it very soon. You need to ensure that you keep the surface of the whetstone wet at all times. So as soon as it dries out, just add a bit of water. About 10 minutes later, your knife should be sharp, although you can sharpen it more if you want to. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you are interested in purchasing this product, I have the link in the description box below. Thanks for your time.